guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can rearrange your home screen in the Google Pixel 5a. So I will start from the widgets. If you want to add any widget, just hold the finger on an empty place on your home screen, choose the middle option and expand the Siri tab. In my case it will be Google Chrome. Now just select your widget, hold it and select a place for it on your screen. If you want to resize it, just use the little edges. If you want to remove it, just hold it and slide it up. If you want to make a folder, just hold the knee up, drag onto another, and that's it. To change the name of it, click here and type the name of your folder. But if you want to remove the folder, just take out all of the application. That's it. The next way, we have to open the home settings by holding the finger again, and you can see that we have a few options to change it, like notification dots, adding applications to home screen when you're installing something. But we can also go to the settings and choose a wallpaper and style. Now we can choose the system colors, like this one. And you can use the dark theme. You can also use the theme icons. And if you want to change the upgrade to change the amount of icons in one row, just choose it here. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.